Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: paper, 2 pencils, eraser, ruler, and a clear photo of your mum. Draw a vertical center line and place a horizontal eye line at about 1/2 the head height so proportions read correctly. Sketch an oval for the skull and add a soft jawline and neck with light pressure. This lets you adjust without muddy marks. Once done, check symmetry by flipping the paper or squinting. Make sure the major angles match the reference before proceeding. You now map features using simple ratios so likeness holds. Divide the eye line into 5 equal spaces. Eyes occupy the 2nd and 4th slots, because spacing anchors expression. Place the nose base halfway between the eye line and chin, and set the mouth about 1/3 above the chin. These steps lock facial rhythm. Lightly outline the hairline and ears between the eye and nose lines, then sketch clothing blocks. Once these structures sit well, refine contours, and start defining individual planes for form and volume. You move to finalizing. Clean up with careful line work and layered shading so the face reads 3-dimensional. Strengthen shadow areas with a softer pencil and keep midtones smooth. This contrast creates depth. Gently erase construction lines and add crisp highlights on the eyes, lips, and hair to bring life. If something looks off, make small proportional fixes. Nudge the jaw, raise or lower the eye line by tiny amounts, and reblend. This quick tweaking often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.